Hey friends and purpose partners, Brandie Thomas here, and today I want to give you my honest review of working in Scalability versus working in Kajabi, especially if you're an online coach or consultant and you are wanting to build out your own course membership site, and you also want to have everything in your business all in one place. So these are both great all-in-one platforms, but I do believe one, I've worked in both of them, but one definitely has my favor towards the other one. And so I'm going to dive into the differences between both Kajabi and Scalability. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first difference that we can see between Kajabi and Scalability is with their price structure. So Kajabi actually is, I think, becoming more aware that they are more overpriced in the market when it comes to all-in-one software platforms, because I have noticed that they have updated their pricing structure. So let me share my screen and show you what that looks like today as of May 8th, 2024. So we can see here that now they have a Kickstarter package, which was not available before. In the past, it was really just $149 was their basic lowest level plan that you could get. And so they have added a couple different options. So now they have a $55 per month. And so you can see you get 0 transaction fees, 50 landing pages, the 1,250 marketing emails, only one product, only one funnel, 250 contacts, only 50 active customers, and only one website. So that's their Kickstarter. Their basic plan jumps up to $119 a month, and you get everything except you have unlimited landing pages versus the 50 landing pages. You get unlimited marketing emails, 3 products versus the 1 product, 3 funnels versus the 1 product, or 1 funnel, and 10,000 contacts versus the 250 and 1,000 active customers versus the 50, but still only 1 website. And then it goes up from there, where you can see that as you pay more each month, from the growth to the pro, your number of funnels and contacts and active customers can jump all the way up to 20,000 active customers, 100,000 contacts, 100 funnels, 100 products, unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing. And then these 2 last products also give you some advanced automations, affiliate programs, custom branding, and 24/7 support. So not until you get up to the $159 per month growth and pro do you actually get the advanced automations, the affiliate program, the custom branding, and the 24/7 support. So I want you to hold on to that, because when we jump over to Scalability, they only have 1 product offer, the $97 a month, and you get access to everything. You have unlimited workflows. You have access to a CRM. You have access to unlimited numbers of funnels and website builders. You have email marketing, SMS and email templates. So you can send text, you can send emails, and you basically are not limited by that. Now, there are some extra, you kind of pay as you go per your emails and text, and I'll explain that more in another video when I dive into that specific feature and functionality. But really, that is a part of your marketing fee. It's just a part of cost of doing business. And so if you have a smaller audience, you're not, it's like maybe 10 cents or less per text or per email. So it's really not, when you're in the grand scheme of things, if you're sending over, if you're sending 100,000 emails or texts, right, maybe you're going to pay $200. So really, in the grand scheme of things, it's not a lot. So you have your email marketing. You can email and text as many people as you want. There's no limit to that. You can 2-way text. You can see all of your conversations in one place. They have their own app where you can be connected from your phone to any conversation that you're having, whether it comes in through your lead generation funnel page, or even if you're working with marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, DMs, you can connect all of those platforms into your Scalability platform and continue to work with your leads, nurture them in this one-stop platform. You have access to reporting, web chats, reputation management. So this goes back to like your Google reviews and workspaces, your Facebook Messenger. You can have a social media planner, text to pay. So that's what I was talking about before, where if you want to use the text system, which I absolutely love, I've seen an increase in my podcast downloads by reminding my email list, hey, I just dropped a new podcast episode. Make sure here's a link. Go listen to it today. Surveys, I can have unlimited forms, invoices, and calendars. And so just in this premium, so they don't have a basic, they don't have a pro, right? They just have their $97 a month, or it's $997 billed annually. This is a very competitive price. I feel like it's one of the best prices on the market when you look at all the different all-in-one, but today we're just talking about Kajabi. And you get so much more than you would on their Kickstarter, their basic, and even their growth. Like you will have access to all the automations, you have access to AI, everything here. So that's one of the reasons that I definitely favor scalability when it comes to the pricing. And this is one of the reasons why I've worked on Kajabi, Kartra, Groove, Wix, Squarespace. I've worked on all these different platforms. And this is one of my favorite ones to share with my clients and customers when they're looking for an all-in-one platform to create their websites, their landing pages, their courses, because it really does meet all of their needs for a very cost-efficient, it's just more cost-effective in that way. One of the other areas that I believe scalability does stand out in when you compare with Kajabi is their products. So in Kajabi, you only can have 3 products depending on which package you get, right? Until you get up to that high package where it's unlimited. With scalability, you have unlimited products. You can do physical or digital. So again, if you are wanting to sell your course, your membership, you can do as many different membership programs, as many different courses that you want and sell those over and over. So, and you get a funnel builder that goes along with that. So you're not having to connect different pages. Like you actually can create an entire funnel for that for each offer. And so it makes that process so much more streamlined versus Kajabi. You only get one landing page or one funnel. And so you have to kind of jimmy rig how you connect your pages together on that platform versus scalability, which definitely blows them out of the water with the streamlined process from a building out your process perspective. The fourth thing I want to talk about is courses. So if you have worked in Kajabi, you will notice that the course build out structure is actually very similar. So there's really not too much here. They're both very similar. They both compare with the layout, the look, the templates that you can use to customize like your membership page, your course portal page, if you will. So those are both pretty similar. The other thing where they're both similar is that they do both have communities, and this communities is definitely on the rise. You see this was like Circle in school. They both have AI, and you can both have affiliate members, but scalability makes it a little bit easier to manage your affiliates if you want to have affiliates with your courses. The other difference is that Kajabi does right now have an app for their communities, and Scalability is working on that. So I have no doubt that Scalability's app will also be amazing based on the lead connector app that I use to manage all my conversations on my phone. So that will be coming out. So eventually that won't even be a sticking point. Number 6 feature that I want to talk about is landing pages. So this is what we use to convert leads. And with Scalability, you can have marketing workflows, you can have text, you can have automation set up to actually like call people. You can work with your leads that are coming in through ads or messenger. So again, you're getting that conversion from all of the different ways that you can nurture your lead inside the Scalability product. So you think of it as like a one-stop shop for all of your conversations. So when your leads come in through your landing page, that lead generation funnel that you can build out, you're going to be able to manage all of those leads in this one place. So you can email them, you can text them, you can even create automations where if you're using Facebook and they say, drop this in the comments, you can create an automation that actually sets up a DM to go out to that person. Kajabi does not have this as robust as Scalability does. The other feature that I think Scalability wins out over Kajabi is the calendar feature. So yes, Kajabi does have calendars, but they're not as editable and they're limited on how many events or what type of events that you can have. Whereas Scalability, it is very similar to how Calendly works. And that's another reason why I like Scalability, because everything's in one stop, all in one platform, one-stop shop. So you're not having to pay multiple different fees every month for different platforms, and you can really just minimize and streamline not only your business processes, but also your cost of doing business. And so calendars, you again can have all the automations you want. One of my favorite ways to use the calendar automation is to have, like, I can internal text myself or email myself whenever somebody books a call and, give me that 5-minute, hey, text reminder, hey, you have a meeting coming up. And the same with my people who book a discovery call or maybe our coaching call with me. They can, I can set up their reminders so they're getting those 24-hour, they're getting the hour, the 5-minute emails and texts. And so that has 100% increased my my coaching calls, actually, like the people showing up versus, having no-shows. So I rarely have any no-shows because I get to have all these special automations and I can tweak them to be whatever I want them to be. And Kajabi is a little bit more formatted or template where you can't change some of the different automation replies and responses. So as you can see, that's why I love partnering with Scalability after working on multiple different all-in-one platforms, searching for the best one, not only for my own business, but for the clients that I support, because I do love going in and I will build out their websites, their funnels, their email campaigns, all the things for my clients. This is the best one that I have found, with price, with the features, with access to all the unlimited options that they get versus, and there's only one payment. Like, you don't have to, oh, if I want more contacts or I want more pages, I have to upgrade to the next one. No, the price is always the same and you get that unlimited amount up front. So I just love that aspect of Scalability. The other thing I also love, and one of the reasons why I've switched everything over to Scalability, is because Aaron Jennings, the founder, he is a Kingdom entrepreneur and he wants to help other Kingdom entrepreneurs scale. And I predominantly serve the female Christian entrepreneur, that ambitious Kingdom entrepreneur who wants to show up and create Kingdom impact. And so I love that he is speaking about scaling and multiplying and stewarding your businesses in such a way. So if you're a Christian entrepreneur, then this platform is also definitely for you. It's going to be one of the best platforms out there on the market for your money, for the features, and just for everything that you get. Plus, you're going to be supporting another Christian entrepreneur. So with that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to have access to Scalability, right now you can have access to my 14-day free trial when you click the link in the comments. And you'll also, when you sign up, you'll get access to my free Facebook community, where we're going to be diving into weekly training calls. You have hot seat coaching with me, and that's going to be a safe place for you to ask questions as you're building out your website and your funnels and all the things on Scalability. So click the link in the comments and let's connect.